Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today's wig sponsor is Luvme Hair, so thank you so much to Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video. This is Luvme's Hair's loose wave mixed blonde color 5x5 undetectable lace closure wig. A lot of times when I do my Luvme Hair wigs, they are glueless, which is one of the best things that I love about Luvme Hair's company. You can make them glueless, which is like perfect. So as you guys can see, I'm just trying to get my wig super flat because I am going for a side part. I did bleach the knots on this wig as well. That's just a personal preference. You guys do not have to bleach the knots on this wig. As you guys see in the unboxing, you can wear it straight out of the box and literally go like 1 2 3. So after hot combing the part to the way that I like it, I'm just going to go ahead and use my makeup powder and put some on my wig cap and also some on the wig as well. I also chose to use my Ebon tinted lace spray. I don't know, I just use both of them. Usually I just use one of the, or I usually just use powder or the spray, but I guess in this install I wanted to use both. So now I'm going to go ahead and just cut off this lace on my closure. And once I cut off this lace, you guys, it was giving scalp. Like, it literally looked like my hair. It blended so well. So now I'm going to go ahead and get into styling. And also I forgot to mention, you guys, off camera I did use some of my Got To Be Glued spray just to help me hold my wig kind of in place, because sometimes with glueless wigs you do need a little more extra security because obviously there is no glue. But when you use the spray, it's perfectly fine. You can still get that very much glueless look to your wig. So now I'm just going to use my T3 curling iron. I got this from Ulta, you guys, and this is one of my favorite hot tools to use. I love this curling iron so much. If you guys have any other recommendation for curling irons, I would love to try them out, so leave them in the comments down below. So I was able to curl majority of my wig on my head, but for the back of my wig I did take the wig off and I put it on my mannequin head because it was just really hard to curl the back of my head. But honestly, you guys, curling this wig really didn't take me that long. It was actually 1 2 3. It's really simple. And also I want to mention that this wig was super soft, you guys. Like, I wish you guys can feel this wig like through the camera. Like, it was super soft. And that was it for this install, you guys. Super quick and super easy. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And also, we are on the road to 4,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys subscribe. And all the information to this wig will be in my description box down below, so do not forget to check my description box, you guys, if you would like to purchase this wig.